If you are wondering what are the dimensions of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then let me just quickly answer the question for you. When the phone is unfolded, the height of the phone is 166.9 millimeters or 6.57 inches. The width of the phone is 75.4 millimeters or 2.97 inches. And the thickness of the phone is 6.1 millimeters, which is 0.24 inches. And once again, this is when the phone is unfolded. Now, when we fold the phone, then the height of the phone is now 85.7 millimeters or 3.37 inches. The width is, of course, the same, and the thickness of the phone is 13.1 millimeters or 0.52 inches. So there we go. This is how it looks like when the phone is folded. Now, once again, when the phone is unfolded, the display size is 6.9 inches. And when we use the cover screen or the cover display, it has 4.1 inches. And that is pretty much it. Oh, and of course, the weight. The phone weighs 180 grams, which is 6.35 ounces. Leave a like and subscribe.